Convicted murderer, that's Ntuthuko Shoba, is seeking for leave to appeal his sentence. Shoba believes a different court may find him innocent. He's currently serving a life sentence for orchestrating the murder of his then-girlfriend, Tshegofatso Pule. eNCA's Slindelo Masikane is at the Joburg High Court, and she joins us live with the very latest. Good morning, Slindelo. Just talk to us about today's proceedings.
Well, what we're expecting today, Mfundo, is that Judge Stuart Wilson, who was the judge who actually convicted and sentenced Ntuthuko Shoba, will then deliver his judgment in terms of his leave to appeal application. He thinks another court, a higher court, may come to a different conclusion with regards to how he was convicted as well as sentenced regarding the evidence and the facts that was brought by the state. In particular, he's raised issues around how much weight the court put on the confession of the triggerman, Malepane, who confessed, and of course pointed out that Ntuthuko Shoba is the one who hired him and contracted him to kill Tshegofatso Pule back in June of 2020. So in terms of the arguments which were made on Friday, it seems Shoba believes that in fact this court may have erred in terms of relying quite a bit, according to Shoba and his lawyers, on that particular confession, saying that Shoba still to this day denies that he had any part in the murder of Tshegofatso Pule, saying that in fact the court had labeled Malepane as a liar, and that he may have just essentially fingered him in a vendetta against him. So it seems as though Judge Stuart Wilson has decided that he was going to take the weekend to look over the facts of the case, saying that because this is quite a high-profile matter, he wanted to really just look over the evidence once more, look at the arguments that were brought forward by the new legal representation of Ntuthuko Shoba, and then deliver his judgment at around 11 a.m. We are moving courts, so we are expecting Judge Stuart Wilson to then deliver that judgment. We don't know if Shoba will be in court because on Friday, Fundo, in fact, this application was heard without him being present in court. But we are, of course, expecting the Pule family to once more come out to court, and of course they say that Shoba can appeal till he's blue in the face, to quote Tshegofatso Pule's uncle, saying that it will not change the fact that he is the one responsible for the death of not only Pule but her unborn baby as well.